Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to take this sliding door off. I recommend 2 people, but I'll do what I can to show you how it's done. All right, here we go. There's an opening right here on this track, and when you get to that point, that's when that roller is going to break free and be able to come out. And there's this space up here and then one right here that have openings at the very end right here. So just watch how I do it, and then it'll be a nice little tip of how it's done. So I'm at that mark right here. I lifted it. It's now free. Tilt forward, get that top one free. And it's best to walk on this side so you can see the other angle of when that bottom one right down there is going to be free. And then walk it out like that. So right here at the very end is where it's free and open, and it allows you to get that bottom wheel to come right off. That's why you saw me on the inside of it and then going this way, because on the inside I can see when I finally get there with the wheel. The top is just a track, so if you tilt it kind of forward, that wheel on top kind of goes this way, and then you just wiggle that top part out first, bring it all the way back a little more to this portion, and then you kind of walk that way and it'll roll right out. So that's it. I'm gonna fix this roller and put the door back on. So here is the sliding roller mechanism. This, for the most part, should fit 68 to 1979. It's brand new. And this is the one we're gonna put on it. I'll show you guys the old one so you can see what was actually wrong with it and why it wasn't really working anymore. All right, now it's time to put the door on. So, show you how it's done. So, bottom roller part goes in first. Tilt forward. Tilt it forward. Get that piece in. The top and the bottom ring. Once those are in, slide it back this way where that opening was. Right there, that opening that I mentioned, then this part, that part wiggles in. Now it's all in. Let's test it out. Yeah, looks good. Everything's secure. Might grease it up a little bit right here so it opens quicker. Looks good. Then we'll put the cover back on, and we're done. And that is how you change a sliding door mechanism when you're having issues right here. Normally, I would highly recommend that you change this before painting your bus, but when we took this to the paint shop, this roller was working fine. Turns out that it broke later on. The wheel came off, so we had to change it after painting. But I'd highly recommend, if you're going to paint your bus, to change this first, because it's a little bit stressful trying to pop this thing off without making any scratches and things like that. So there you go. If you have any questions, send me a DM. More than happy to help. Hope you enjoyed the video on changing a sliding door mechanism right here. If you're only one person, you can do it. Be very careful. I'd recommend 2 people. If you've never switched one out before, have fun. Safety first, and enjoy. Yeah, thank you.